Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you one of the most famous Algerian sweet called Tcharek. I had previously shared this recipe with you, but it was Tcharek coated with sugar or Tcharek مسكر, and today I will share with you a different recipe which is naked Tcharek or Tcharek without sugar on the top. This recipe is very suitable for people who doesn't like a lot of sugar and for vegan people because it doesn't contain any eggs in it. In our culture, we always think of people who have chronic diseases and we try to make them happy on Eid and bake suitable sweets for them. And naked Tcharek is one of the sweets that is very suitable for people who have chronic diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, or for those who want to put themselves in a diet that it doesn't contain a lot of sugar. But if you are allergic to nuts, this dessert is not for you. Naked Tcharek or Tcharek العريان is similar to sugar-coated Tcharek, but this one contains less sugar and topped with almonds. Let's get started with this recipe. In a bowl, mix 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter mixed with ghee melted at room temperature, pinch of salt, half cup of confectioner sugar that I didn't add it because I want to reduce sugar amount. If you want to add this half cup of confectioner sugar, it's up to you. In a mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, mix your flour with your butter very well until your butter is well incorporated inside your flour. Add 1 cup of water mixed with orange blossom until you get a soft dough. This dough is similar to shortbread cookies dough, soft and pliable. After mixing your dough very well, take out your dough from your mixer. Work it between your hand a little bit. Put it in a Ziploc and let it rest for about half hour in your fridge. Don't overwork your dough, just gather it between your hands. We don't want to develop gluten in our dough. For my filling, I used roasted crushed almonds. In a bowl, mix 3 cups of almonds, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix your powdered well, then add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Gather your almond paste or your almond filling with orange blossom until you can make a dough with it. Let it rest for about 1 hour. It helps sugar melt and everything will be incorporated very well. Now we will weigh the dough and the filling to get desserts that have the same shape. I weighed my dough for about 45 grams and my filling for about 17 grams. When we have finished weighing the dough and the filling, we will start to forming our tcharek. Open your dough in a rectangular shape. Put your filling inside it. Roll your dough around your filling tightly. Close it very well so that the filling does not come out. Try to make the edges thinner than the middle and form your half moon. Continue this way until you complete all the quantity. Brush your tcharek with eggs and top it with crushed almonds. Continue decorating this way until you complete all the quantity. Cook your tcharek for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit until it gets golden brown color. Serve your naked tcharek or tcharek Algerian at room temperature with a nice cup of coffee. My tcharek was crunchy on outside and the filling was very soft and tasty on inside. The combination between roasted almonds, cinnamon and orange blossom give my tcharek a fabulous taste. My tcharek is not too sweet at all and the sweetness of my tcharek is very well balanced. This recipe is very easy and worth to try. I hope you will try it soon. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!